In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert shapes into Zoho Sheet. Now, if you've worked with Zoho Sheet before, you might know that as of now, Zoho Sheet does not directly support the insertion of shapes, arrows, or similar drawing features within its interface. This might feel like a limitation, especially if you're used to having these functionalities in other spreadsheet programs. However, don't worry, there's a simple workaround that you can use. The alternative method involves creating your desired shapes outside Zoho Sheet and then inserting them as images into your spreadsheet. Let me walk you through this process, step by step, to make it as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to create or download your shape image. You could use Zoho Writer to create a shape, or you could download an image from the internet in a commonly used format like JPEG or PNG. Once you have the image ready, save it to a folder on your computer where you can easily access it later. Next, we'll move over to Zoho Sheet. Open your sheet and navigate to the specific cell where you'd like to insert your image. With the right cell highlighted, move your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. Here, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. This menu will present you with various options, but our focus here is on the Image option. Select that, and you'll be given a choice between Image in Cell and Image over Cells. If you choose Image in Cell, the image will be contained within a single cell, which can be particularly useful for maintaining a neat and orderly appearance within your sheet. On the other hand, if you select Image over Cells, the image can span across multiple cells, giving you more flexibility in terms of size and positioning. Pick the option that best suits your needs. Now, a file browser window will pop up. Use this to locate the shape image that you previously saved on your computer. Once you've found and selected the file, it will be inserted into your chosen location on the spreadsheet. You might want to take a moment to adjust the size and position of your image. Depending on whether you chose to insert it in a cell or over cells, you can drag the corners of the image to resize it as needed. You can also click and drag the image to move it around and find the perfect spot within your sheet. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a shape into Zoho Sheet, bypassing its current limitations. While it would be more convenient to have built-in drawing tools, this method provides a reliable alternative. I'm confident that with these steps, you'll be able to beautifully integrate shapes into your spreadsheet projects. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing.